Welcome to English Essays, quality essay that help you score. 300 words essay in English, Cultural Unity in India for class 9, 10, 11 and 12. India is the second most populated country in the world, but the first country that is immensely diverse in its culture. Indian culture is the union of diverse beliefs and traditions influenced by the great Indian history dating back to 5,000 years ago. All the 29 states in India practice their own tradition and culture, and its rich heritage keeps India united as one nation. Its diverse religions, community, and geographies have a great influence on Indian culture. As Indians, we take pride to celebrate together diverse festivals and art forms. India maintains secularism by allowing people to practice their religion. It is a multicultural country where people equally celebrate and participate in festivals such as Dussehra, Christmas, Holi, Eid, Diwali, Guru Nanak Jayanti and many more. Through such festivals, Indians pass on their cultural heritage to their next generation. Indians honor national festivals such as Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti with unity and enthusiasm. The secret behind diverse Indian culture is the influence of various communities in certain parts of India. From British to Jewish, India offers a flavor of all. Throughout the history of India, Indian culture has been heavily influenced by dharmic religions. They have been recognized for shaping much of Indian philosophy, literature, architecture, art and music. India is the birthplace of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism and other religions. They are collectively known as Indian religions. Today, Hinduism and Buddhism are the world's third and fourth largest religions, respectively, with over 2 billion followers. Indian culture is varied and therefore includes the heritage of social norms, ethical values, traditional customs, belief system, political system, articrafts and technologies. India's languages, religions, dance and music, architecture and food experiences a great shift from place to place. As Indians, we feel proud of our rich heritage and culture that is even celebrated beyond geographical boundaries. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more English essays.